So make her say her blessing. Go, you say it.
But she doesn't put her hands together.
It's okay. Say them. Just say it. Okay, who else?
There can be a writing. Let us write. Let us sing for it.
Okay. What else do we pray for? What else do we pray for?
First of all,
Okay, and who else?
and for Molly. No, not you. This is Isabella. She's behind her. Okay. Everybody got their chair.
Yep, they got their chairs.
Okay. Everybody needs their toys.
I think they got their toys too.
They got their grab a soda bottle. Grab a bottle. Here. Okay. Where's the bottle? Okay, everybody bottle. Here's your bottle. Mario. Okay. Do I have one? Yeah. Everybody grab a bottle. Share. Everybody grab a bottle. Here. Grab it. Okay. Everybody grab a bottle. Yeah? Okay. Here, you have it for a bottle. Here. On? Okay, here. You got your bottle, guys? Did they get the bottle? Okay, Isabella got one. A chair. Okay, you got all of your bottles? Yeah? They got all of the bottles?
Yep, they got them.
Okay, everybody, let's watch a movie.